Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can run Scrapy in the Apache Airflow DAG. Let's get started. First I have to run the web server and the scheduler. In my local, let us create a DAG, call it Scrapy DAG, and then we import the DAG. And the bash operator. Let's create the argument. Okay. Create a DAG. We call it Scrapy DAG. And default args. And the tags is Scrapy. Yeah, so that. And then we created the Scrapy DAG using the bash operator. Okay, so we have suggested by the copilot to use this path. So for now we are going just print out the echo Scrapy DAG like this. Maybe I can add the description Scrapy DAG. Okay, and let us see. So we have our DAG here. Let us see the code. Yeah, and then let us run it and see. It should output the Scrapy DAG. Yeah, it works. And next we just have to create the Scrapy project. So I already installed the Scrapy. You can do it like this, Scrapy, and then I already installed it, so it'll be quick. And then we are going to scrape this website here. There's a books.toscrape.com. We use this URL, Scrapy start project. We call it book crawler, and then put it here in the same location with the Scrapy-Airflow. Okay, we already have the book crawler here. So the next thing we have to do is to create the spider. Scrapy generate this spider. We call it book to scrape, and domain is books.toscrape.com. Yeah, correct. Books to scrape. We call it books to scrape. Maybe we can just put a book like this, or books. Yeah, whatever. We now have the spider, so we can modify the spider by pressing. Let me put it in the keycaster so you can see what I'm typing here. I'm using bash shell, so I can press the Control T to find the file that I want to working on. There was a book crawler. We call it spiders, so that was books spiders. Yeah, there's spiders there, and there's a books.py. We modify it here. So I want to get all the URLs from the website. Response is S using CSS selector, and then we put the h3 a and the attribute href. We get all this, and then we iterate it using the for loop for URL in URLs, and then we yield it into the next yeah, we're going to yield it into the next function here below. There's a parse underscore book, and we put a shout response, and we just want to grab the title like this. Okay, we have the title, and then let's try it. So there will be crawl books. Let's see if this will work. It should work. Oh, okay, we have the title here, so it works. Next things we have to do is to run the Scrapy from the DAG. So the part was on the book crawler. Okay, there's a book crawler, book underscore crawler, Scrapy crawl. Your spider is books, as we defined before. We'll repress it. Yeah, it changed now. Let's run it. See how the logs goes. So we have an issue here. So the book crawler, there's no path to book crawler. So to check it, we can use run it like this. Does it work? Okay, I see there's another directory that address this DAG. We have to change the directory to our current directory. How we get that? We can define a base path, and then we get it from this base path, import OS, save it, and then we print it here. Let's see. I mean bash path, not the bash. Okay, we put the app there. Okay, let us reparse the DAG again and then run it. Okay, we now have our current directory instead of the subprocess directory here. Okay, next thing we have to do is just change this, move this into passpath here. Okay, we commenting out that, then we put it there. We forget to remove this bracket, I mean the quote, single quote. Okay, we now have our path, our best path, and let us try it. Let's run it again, see. Okay, run now. See that? We now successfully running the Scrapy in the Apache Airflow DAG. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Bye.